Noble is a Node.js package for writing programs that interact with Bluetooth Low Energy Peripherals. Noble works on OS X, Linux, and Windows. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Windows machine for Node.js and Noble development. First, you need to install Visual Studio Community 2015. If you have another version of Visual Studio installed, that will probably work too. We're not going to directly use Visual Studio, but we need it to install the C++ compiler. Make sure you choose Custom Install, and then under Programming Languages, check Visual C++. Installing Visual Studio takes a while, so I've sped up the video to make things go faster. After your computer reboots, we want to download and install Python 2.7. Node.js needs Python when compiling libraries with native code. You can accept all the default settings for the Python install. Next, we're going to download Node.js. Make sure to download Node.js 4. After you accept the license agreement, the default options should be fine. Noble relies on Node Bluetooth HCI socket. For Windows, we need a compatible USB Bluetooth 4.0 adapter. I'm using an I/O Gear adapter that has a Broadcom chipset. This library needs raw access to the Bluetooth adapter because it bypasses the inferior Windows Bluetooth stack. We'll use a tool, Zadig, to replace the Bluetooth driver with a generic WinUSB driver. Download the tool, and then launch it. After it launches, we're going to want to choose Options, List All Devices. And then we'll scroll down and choose our Bluetooth adapter and choose Replace Driver. Note that since we're replacing the Windows driver, the adapter won't show up in the Windows Bluetooth settings. Let's open the Noble GitHub page and download a zip file of the project. Use Windows to unzip the archive. Open a command prompt and navigate to the Noble directory. We're going to run npm install, which will download the dependencies and compile the native extensions. You might see some compiler warnings. I just ignored them. The Noble project contains some examples. Advertisement Discovery performs a Bluetooth Low Energy scan discovering any nearby devices. This scan found 3 devices near my computer. Select and copy an identifier of one of the devices. Here I'm copying the ID of an Arduino. Use Ctrl-C to kill the current program, and then clear the screen. Peripheral Explorer is another example. I paste the ID from the Arduino I copied earlier. The program connects to the peripheral, prints out the device information, including the Bluetooth services and characteristics. Now that your machine is all set up, you're ready to write your own Bluetooth Low Energy programs. If you'd like to learn more about Bluetooth Low Energy, be sure to check out our book, Make Bluetooth.